Okay, now let's check to register a user and see it is registering or not. And in our database, so we can check, refresh a smart expense database, a user table, and its data is empty. There is no user in our database. So let's refresh our register. You can come to your welcome page, click on register, and we have a sign up. And let's sign up our user. So email, password 123456. Name it admin, admin, and email this confirm password 123456, and country India, and let's select um, state Delhi, and okay, city Delhi, and address Delhi address, and you can give a passcode, postal code of India. Okay, and we are not going to submit our logo. Okay, let's register. So the logo field is required. Okay, let me erase this logo field and control L to select, or control shift for control forward slash to comment it. And also we will need to comment our dump data. So we are not dumping our data right now, and we are just registering our user. Come back and give password 123456, 123456. Choose your country, India, and Delhi. Okay, and hit register. So what's wrong? Let's check our database. Okay, mm, also comment this line because we are not sending our logo. Control forward slash to comment it. Phone, country, make sure these fields are according to your database field. So if it is wrong, the form will not submit. Phone, country, state, city, address, and postal code. And let me see this schema logo is, let's set to null. Okay, save it. Because I'm not sending yet logo, because I need to write a script for logo. We will write it and when we this series is progress. Okay, save it and come to your farm and hit register. So let's check our database. So the farm is not registering. We have to check that there's something going wrong. Let me check it, because it is not saved. Save it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let me troubleshoot it. So I think we are missing some field that it is not inserting into our database. Let me show name, email, password, phone, country, states, city, address, postcode. Okay, these are the fields. And here, where phone, phone, and let's jump to our register. We have name, email, password, confirm password, country, not phone. Okay, so that's why the phone field is not in our registration form. You can see, and one field is missing, and it is not submitting our form. Okay, let's add this form field, phone field in our register. Confirm password, and we will require, let's copy it from here and paste it and make it not password. The control D to select all. So it is a phone, and let's make it be capital. ID phone, text, type text, type text, and class farm control, name phone, and name phone, and value old. If old value is phone, so show it name phone, value old, phone, and this bracket is closed. Okay, if error has phone, so this phone, first phone. Okay, that's nice. And here we have phone required, and where phone is required. Okay, now let's check. Refresh one more time. This time I will go to Rana 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is a phone number 0092 333 Punjab, Lahore, and let's hit click on register. We will see. So now this time the our application new user is registered, and here we can see the name of the user. And let's go to our database. this is empty, and we can click. So its user is now created. And let's see the fields. So name is Rana, email is Rana Rashadad, password is encrypted password, phone number is given, and country ID is this, and state ID is this, and city is Lahore, address is Mazar Colony, postal code 54, logo is null because we are not putting the logo yet. We will set it, and status is off. And remember that in our migration we have set the default status. If we are not putting the status, the default status will be off, this user will be off. And also we have set the default null value to a company ID, and company name will be null. And also the default value of a role is one when we create our table migration for admin. So we will set 1 to admin, and access is also a null, and remember token is also null. If I show you the migration here in our database migration and user. So see, we have set a default to 0 parent ID and default off to our status, unnullable to our company ID and company name also, and role is default, which is 1, and access is nullable. So hope so it makes sense. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.